Hey everybody, Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to do a couple of exciting things. One, we're going to announce a brand new event that's all about environments for artists. And two, we're going to announce a new challenge on the channel, right? And we're going to have some very cool prizes as well, so stick around. So let's kick things off by talking about the new event. Now, Urban Studios, my partner and channel sponsor, right? They decided to come up with a brand new event. Now, this event is very artist-centric and it's all about environment artists, whether it's 2D, 3D, concept artists, whether you are working for games, for movies, for commercials, it's all good, okay? Like I said, very artist-centric. The website right here, it's called ice.art. And ICE stands for Imagination, Creativity, and Emotion. That already proves to you that it's very artist-centric, okay? Now, this is a very new thing. It seems that there's not a lot out there for you guys, right? Those that are all excited about environments. So that's what we're gonna do. And I say we because Urban Studios asked me to be part of this, so I will. We'll put a link below so you can sign up, pre-register, so you make sure that you get updates on everything that goes on, new speakers, new topics, whether it's going to be fully live or not, if COVID permits. So all of that good stuff, okay? Now, the CTO and founder of Urban Studios has a background with City Engine, has been a speaker there for many years, and if I am informed correctly, even co-developed it, right? So they know what they're talking about. I also put a link below towards the Urban Studios website so you can see exactly what they do. Now, there are going to be a couple of very big names in the advisory board, so it's a good representation in the industry, okay? Now, it doesn't come as a surprise that the challenge we're going to announce is going to be about environments as well. I think that's appropriate. So for the first time on this channel, we're going to do an environment challenge. And this time it can be 2D or 3D. 2D is a part of the 3D pipeline if you're a concept artist, if you're a storyboard artist. So what we're going to focus on this time around is your creativity, not how good your sculpting skills are, not how good you can model in Maya or 3ds Max, anything like that. We're purely looking at your creativity. So the work has to be yours, and of course it has to be original, right? So have fun with this. I'm going to put all the information below as far as the opening date, which is today, when the closing date is, when your entry has to be in, format of your entry, all of that kind of cool stuff, okay? Now, there are of course prizes to be won here, and one that I want to mention for the first prize that is been provided by Luxion, the creators of Keyshot. So thank you so much, Luxion, is a Keyshot 10 Pro license. Now that is worth a lot of money, right? I mean, I don't know exactly, but I'll put it up here. There you go. So that's a serious prize, right? And in addition, you get 2 hours of private Skype with the one of the co-owners of Urban Studios, Matt Bueller, and myself. And you get to ask anything you want about the 3D industry, about the environment industry, purely a private meeting with the both of us, right? Now, we're going to do something for the second and third prize as well. I'll probably give you a cool hoodie, a couple of t-shirts, that kind of thing. It's not about the prizes, it's about getting your work out there, competing with your peers, and getting new and fresh ideas, okay? So that's it for the first video of the year. Next video will be about modeling. Make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates on this, okay? Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Thank you for being safe and for being here in 2021, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.